What up, what up? Oh, shit. Give me 1 second over here. Sorry, guys. Let me black this screen out for a sec. Oh, it already is. All right. Sorry, you guys on YouTube. Just give me 1 second over here. I'm just trying to connect my account. I eat. All right. Check, check. Check, 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 check. All right. We own. Marius, what up? Raphael, thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Let's jump into it here on Monday. London session over here, you guys. You never know. What up? What up? Lanny, what up? Sorry, guys. I'm just getting my shit together over here. Just making sure everything's working good. All right, you guys. Monday over here. Fresh week. Amazing stuff. Back on the market. So let's see if we can get something happening. If we don't, that's fine as well. Just show up ready to execute the game plan. Garav, what up, my dude? Morning to you guys. It's afternoon to me, but first things first, I might as well just go through over here and just do a real quick bit of analysis on gold. Super quick. I don't need to take too much time. Whatever. Daily had a big push down during the Asia session today. Big push down during the Asia session today. I would look at this level here as some sort of key level. I'm doing amazing. This is a 4 hour. Again, what's this range? Yeah, so Asia pushed down like 250 pips over here, you guys. The 1 hour, I can see that we're in some sort of zone now. 30, 15. Dope. All right. Morning, Pat. Good morning. Good to see you. So straight away, I'm going to mark out my support and resistance. Bang. Copy, paste. Bang. Let me measure this range to the next level. 30 pips, that's plenty. Skull, what up, what up? Good to see you, gang. Good to see you, gang. Back at it here on Monday. Let's see if we can have a great day over here. Win, lose, or draw. Or if nothing clean rocks up, then that's okay as well. That's okay as well. Check, check. Yep. All right. So this is the first 3 minutes here of the London sesh just opened up. I'm going to put a bit of text in over here just to make it pretty clear, like what my first ideas are. Cool stuff. Put this on the right side. I'll show you what I'm waiting for in a sec, guys. I'll do some like actual analysis. I'll do some actual analysis in a sec. I'm just doing like a broad thing right now, and then I'll adjust it accordingly as candles print. But amazing day to be here on gold and the markets and get to chase our dreams again. That's really all this is about. I don't know what you guys are doing it for, but that's what I'm doing. So this is like, what could you be biased to down gold? I don't know. I don't care about like overall bias. I'm just going to try and execute on the, like obviously if we look at the daily trend, it's clearly we're in a downtrend, right? So I ideally want to go with the trend over here. Ideally want to go with the trend over here. New week, new opportunity to be patient, disciplined trader. Exactly, Grav. Yep, exactly. Show up today. Let's not show up today with the intent of like, oh man, I really want to get a trade today. Let's just show up with the intent of execute the plan. If what we want to see arise, then cool, let's execute on that. If not, then see you later. So the 4 hour, a lot of 4 hour strength. This 4 hour candle's still open, so it's officially not a green candle just yet because it's still open. Check. Bro, why can't I hear myself? 30, 15. Let's measure this range in the middle here. Man, that's a 100 pip range right there. Crazy. Caught 40 pips main funded and 20 in live. Nice. My day's incredible. I finally got to a point with my, if you guys see on my latest TikTok post, I finally got to a point with my funded account that I can actually withdraw the cash now, because you have to do 3 days of 0.5 profitability before you can actually request a withdrawal, which is rough after having to put 10% just to get funded. But yeah, I finally got to that point today and I'm requested a withdrawal. So I'll just leave it now until that withdrawal comes through. All right, so I want to see this first 15 of the London session close, right? There's not much you can do right now. I've got 2 zones of interest over here, and there's not much I can do right now. And let's just see how some candles start to print over here. Let's just see how some candles start to print. Because I could be looking at, it's not necessarily just buys above and sells below. I could be looking at a bounce off either of these because it's pretty clean range in here. Well, what up, Chris? I'm good, brother. I'm good. I hope you're well as well. Good to see you on Sunday. You were there in the webinar, weren't you, Chris? On Sunday? Check. Infinite Soul, what up? Yeah, I thought so, Chris. Yeah, nice. Awesome. Islam. Let me just make sure this is all legit. Check. All right, we're on. We are on. Shane, what up, my G? What up? So got a couple of areas here that I'm interested in. Let me look at the 30 again. Yeah, a couple of areas that I'm interested in. I'm not just looking at buys above or sells below. Like I could be interested in some sort of bounce off one of these ranges if I see in the right candles print. I actually posted on my YouTube that exact setup on Sunday. The webinar that we did, I actually posted the whole webinar on my YouTube over here. So if you guys hit Daniel Holmes Trades, it's this video right here. I guarantee, I think you guys will get a lot out of this one if you yeah, but anyway. So man, what up? Good to see you, my dude. So now that the hardest part is done, we're just here. Know what I want to see. And let's just be patient. Let's just be patient and watch these candles print. And that's it. See if we can get something happening. My lightsaber fell over. Pretty interesting range. Like, look at this very strong 4-hour rejection area. If we do get a close below here, I'd want it to be a 30-minute closure. Crazy strong rejection area right here. Strong bearish in the higher time frame. Yeah, absolutely. 250 pip drop here on the Asia sesh. I'm going to sell trade now. I made my analysis before. Okay, nice. Yep. Oh, what up, Dillawa? I'm good, brother. Good to be here. How are you, my dude? Back at it on a Sunday. I mean, on a Monday. Good to be here on a Monday. That's the life of a trader. It's like, honestly, you guys, right? When Monday comes around, you're like excited because you can trade again. You well? Awesome, bro. Awesome. Yeah, for you guys that were there on Sunday on the webinar there, thanks for showing up, you guys. I still don't know how to run it, to be honest. It's kind of just freestyle because I know some people are probably like, ah, man, you went too quick. And but we'll get there. Awesome session. Yeah, man, I'm glad you enjoyed that one there. If it goes up, how much do you think it will go up before a pullback? I don't think like that. Sorry, Derlius. I don't try to predict any of that kind of jazz. I just mark out my areas where the charts are at now and see if I can snip up a little piece of the pie in terms of where it is right now. Thanks for the follow over there on TikTok, gang. Education, yeah, absolutely, Dillawa. Yep. For sure. So yeah, like I said, I would like to go with the trend, which is obviously bearish. But why not take a buy if we get a clean break? Why not? There's only really one confluence that's going against that idea, which is that we're in a trend. Rad, what up? What up? Dude, your knowledge and the way you're teaching is amazing. Oh, okay. Ryan, were you there on Sunday? That's good feedback. Because, yeah, I'm trying to... Because again, it is just freestyle, and I'm trying to figure out what's going to be the best way for people to get the most out of it, really. And, yeah, I'm not sure if I rush it or if I'm going too quick, but we'll figure it out. But I'm glad that you enjoyed it. Congrats on the withdrawal as well. Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah. Do you guys know that out of every 10,000 traders that do prop firm challenges, only 7 will ever get to the first withdrawal? Do you know how fucking insane that is? So I'm up 370 on that account. I had to get 3 days of 0.5 profitability before I could withdraw. I posted on it's my latest post on TikTok. It actually makes it very difficult, but I was like, I don't care. I'm just getting this withdrawal and then I'll do whatever I want from there. Yeah, mate. And I watched a video after. Phenomenal. Oh, okay. Amazing. Awesome, Ryan. Okay, that's good feedback. Thank you, brother. Nabil, what up? I missed Sunday, so I was out with my daughters. That's all right. I posted it on my YouTube channel, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'll probably never do that again. I'll only keep it for the cats that are actually in there on the webinar. But for this first main one, I actually posted on my YouTube channel. I think there's a fair bit of value there. Like, honestly, like, it's not me saying it because it's for you, like for anyone that wants to learn. But I think there's a fair bit of value on that one. So yeah, Daniel Holmes Trades in YouTube. Renyi, what up? All right, this candle closes here in 40 seconds. Let's see what happens. You guys, I'm on YouTube live right now as well. It's a full screen. It's not like a little TikTok screen. So if you want to jump over there, it's Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. IFVG in 1 hour. I don't know what that means, brother. I don't know what that means, my G. Inverted fair value gap. Bro, I know the terms of all the cool kids, man. Inverted fair value gap. I'm pretty sure that's what it means. Don't play it down. The fact that you were given it free is nuts. Amazing. No, that's awesome, bro. No, that's cool that you enjoyed that one. Awesome. If you had only $100 to start, what would you do? I wouldn't start. I would do as much learning and demo trading as possible. Graffiti, what up, my G? Didn't trade it all week. How was it? It's okay, fine. It was depends on your you know, the way in which you trade. It was a pretty tricky week for price action, guys. It kind of just took off. What's your strategy, bro? Just price action breakouts. I don't know the best way to summarize it, but yeah, just clean candle breakouts, price action. Back at it, absolutely, Max. Yep, back at it. Happy to be Monday. Happy that it's a Monday, so we can just get at it. Oh, Rob over here. FVGs aren't that reliable for gold in London. IFVGs, I don't think. Actually, I'll keep my opinion to myself. I don't want the ICT friggin' clan after me. Back at it. What if you had $500? It'd be the same thing, Dexter. Honestly, I understand. I know that you want to kind of, obviously you want some sort of financial gain out of this. It's by the laws of the universe. It doesn't work that way. You literally have to learn this game. It's like going into an operating room and going, hey guys, where's the scalpel? I'm going to need a scalpel to do this heart surgery. And they're like, bro, do you know what you're doing? You're like, no, but just, I'll figure it out. It's like, it doesn't work like that. You have to literally learn the skill set and then start investing real money. Unless you just want to give your money away. And I always say the best place to start is babypips.com. Just do their free course, Baby Pips. Do their free course. Pretty easy. Just go on their website. They have a free course. And prove to yourself that you actually want to learn this. That's what I would do, brother. And then from there, yeah, do a demo account. And then from there, cheap funded. Cheap funded. What's the time now? There now. For me, it's 6:15 p.m. Going down now? We don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. It's been going down all Asia. Bit of consolidation now. It could be a tough day for the London cats like us. Like, we'll have to see how it goes. Typically, when Asia has a crazy move, it just consolidates in London. And it's a Monday. Mondays are a bit tricky. I want your playlist. I made it myself. It's about 7 different songs that I found on YouTube and stuff and just slammed them together. It gets me in the chill zone to trade. And I listen to this type of music when I work, because I work from home. I'll have like some chill music in the background like this. Doesn't require too much like paying attention to the music, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm only using funded accounts right now. I'm about to put some real cash into a broker account soon though, but at the moment it's just funded, yeah. And challenge accounts. What do you expect now? Essentially this. What I'm looking at over here. What I have the text that I have. All right, check this out. I'll show you right here. ERMI. See the way this candle looks right now? If just say for instance this were to flip up here and break out of this zone like this, pretty simple stuff. I'll just wait for a wick down, a push up, and take a buy about there. That's all right now. I'm not a huge fan of that because I know, you know, it's the daily is in a bearish kind of momentum, but if everything else lines up, I would have to stack the odds in my favor that I'd be interested in that. Rug pulling from what? From funded? I don't think they'll rug pull you, but they'll you definitely run the risk of them not paying you out. That's why you try to stick with the most reputable ones. Rug pulling is what the meme cats should be worried about. The meme coin cats. Thanks for the follow there on TikTok and FX. You guys, I'm on YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades. It's a full screen on the live right now as well if you want. If you want to just chill your phone there on YouTube instead of TikTok. So what's the go over here? So this is the first 30 of the London session still open. Got this kind of range here that it might be just consolidating in for a little bit. Why do you think it's going up? I don't. I never said such. They're all good, brother. All the prop firms are pretty good. They're all the same, bro. What time frame do you mark up your chart on? I work my way down, so I start to work my way down. Like, see right how it is right now? I could be like, oh, well, it looks like that's the closest resistance zone there. This is the 1 hour. And then I drop back to the 30, and I go, oh, shit, no, actually, it's there. And then I drop back to the 15, and I go, no, it's here. And the 15 is the lowest time frame I'll go on to mark my support and resistance zones. So, to answer your question, the 15. What I got out of the Sunday as a beginner is using timeframes. Yep. You guys, we did a webinar with the cats in the Discord on Sunday. It was really good. I actually posted it on my YouTube channel. And I think if you're relatively new to the game, or even if you're not, there's a lot of value there, I truly believe. I was about to say, if any of you cats have any analysis, drop it in the Discord. I'll pull it up. So it looks like Shane over here's... Oh, Shane over here caught this trade this morning, you guys. This 250 pip range. Looks like a break of broke out on this uptrend. And Shane over here caught it. Nice. Huge. Yeah, I'm Aussie, mate. Bloody Aussie. All right, 7 minutes over here. It looks like this could potentially move up over here. We'll see what happens. Getting my Ninja Trader. This is the platform. I'll be trading on a 100k challenge account over here with Apex. Oh, not this shit again. Oh, for fuck's sake. How did I fix that last time? These things are fucking useless, man. There we go, I fixed it. Alright, dope. Yeah, just getting this ready because this is what I'll be actually trading on. Do you think it's possible to be profitable full-time trading and traveling within 1 to 2 years? Not really, no. Not really, no. And I can even see by your mindset that it's going to even be harder, because see how you tied the two together? Full-time trading and traveling. And I'm not being a dick about this. I'm just trying to show you something, that trading's already as hard enough as it is. So when you associate this grand vision for what trading can bring, which is obviously the freedom of traveling and trading and bringing money in, it makes it way harder, because the expectation is high now. The expectation has multiple layers. The expectation isn't just, let me get good at this game and see what comes with it. It's, man, if I can get this and I can travel, I can do it, blah, 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 you know what I mean? So it's like, I think in the short answer, no. And I don't think you should want it to be that easy and quick. Because, and I don't think it's even humanly possible. When you see like 18-year-olds that do all this kind of shit, it's just not possible. You need to learn how to lose money. I think that's the biggest thing, that's like where the time needed is essential. Like, you need to become desensitized to losing money, and you can only get that with time. So again, I think don't let that be discouraging. But yeah, what strategy do you use for analysis? Just price action, just candles, right? I find some key zones of interest. If you're interested, I put a YouTube video up, Daniel Holmes Trades, of a webinar I did with the cats in the Discord on Sunday. I think there's a lot of value in there, and I do some sim trading as well, and show you exactly how I would trade in real time. It's on my YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades. Oh, that was you, Shane. Nice. Yeah, I've got a broker recommendation. I'll hit you up tomorrow about it. Oh, what up, John? Good to see you, brother. John, you were there on Sunday as well, right? Yeah, John, you were definitely there. Yeah, you gave me a bit of feedback as well. Nice. Awesome. It was good to see you guys there. Yeah, I use NinjaTrader for Apex. I'll be doing the webinar every Sunday, you guys in the Discord, I think. I think every Sunday will be good just for us all to get together and smash it out. Come into Monday kind of sharpen, with a bit of sharper tools, I think. Even if we learn, even if we get like 0.0.1% better, that's all that matters. Because in life, in anything really, and I'm not trying to be an inspirational dude, but it's like, you're either getting better or you're getting worse. There's no in between. Like, stagnation is regression, I truly believe. What's your thoughts on trading in December? Sweet. It's all good. Just trade whatever. Just keep at it. Bro, you're not bugging me at all, brother. Let's talk shit for sure. Oh, what up, Energy? Good to see you, my bro. Good to see you on Sunday as well. Thanks for being there. I'm still trying my best to try and figure out the best way to run the Sunday sessions. I don't want to go too quick, too slow. But yeah, nice. Yep. Yeah, I still work full time. I still have a day job. So here's the thing. I have a job. I don't need... If London Open for me is 6 p.m. and I have a good, well-paying job, I don't need to quit my job, right? Unless I'm absolutely crushing it, it wouldn't make sense. Like, I actually enjoy my job. I know it's very rare. I've never been the type of person to say that, but I actually have a good job. I get to work from home. I get to sell products and services to business owners. Like, it's good. So I don't need to quit my job. What up, Lee? Yeah, good weekend. I'm happy to be back here on the charts. Will it be Sunday same time as you come on live on TikTok? Exactly right. Yep, same time as TikTok Live, which is London Open time. I'm good, James. Because there's someone in the YouTube chat said more like 4 to 5 years minimum in terms of like being able to travel and be profitable. Like, everyone's different, but I just think if you lower your expectations, if your expectation is purely, let me just get better, I think that's the best thing you can do. And because the reality is, the better you get, the money's a byproduct, right? Oh, you learn loads there on Sunday, Energy? Nice. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we'll see. What up, Paul? That sim trading thing is really good. Yeah. MT5 simulator we used on our Sunday as well, you guys. So again, if you're not in the Discord, you guys, every Sunday we'll be doing a webinar together, and yeah, I think you get quite a bit of value out of that one. Yeah, nah, bro. Don't even worry about money. Bro, do not worry about money. Don't even say that stuff. Don't even worry about the money. Just think, ask how long is it going to be, how long is it going to take to get better at this particular strategy or this entry? Like, forget the money. What up, Eddie? the time it takes to stop being emotional, it's all just a time thing. Like you can't, we're not robots, unfortunately. Like you can't, it's only going to be time that's going to help you manage being able to lose and shit like that. You can't fast track it. And I know there's kids all over TikTok lives and these meme kids and things like that that are painting a different picture. Please don't be fooled. I'm thinking about potentially being interested in a break below here. Potentially. This might be my zone now, you guys. Clean range here to the left if we do get a closure below. You guys, if the small screen on TikTok's lame and annoying, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. It's a full screen. You can see the price points and everything. Guess what I'm organizing here in the UK? Orgy. Doing it in 6 months, how long till being consistent in my mind, right? Bro, what? That didn't make any sense. What kind of sponsors have you got there, James? What do you mean? That's awesome. Yeah, no, just keep showing up to the stream. Keep showing up to the stream. You should join the Discord. I'll help you. I'll help you get better, brother. I'm not charging. There's no price or anything like that. If you're in a good position where you can really focus on this, I think you'll get. There's a lot of snakes out there and a lot of fake shit. I think you'll get a lot if you just keep showing up here and rock up to Discord. And on the Sunday, we'll do the webinar together. And the webinar is me just like trying to just feed as much as I can. Oh, Tony, doing trading for 6 months. Consistency is what I'm aiming for. Yep, amazing. That's it. Don't worry about the money. Just know that money's a byproduct of your consistency in the market. That's it. How is it possible to show your live chart? I tried it yesterday and showed that. Do you mean on TikTok? Oh, you got banned for that. Ah, that sucks, brother. I don't know. I don't know how you got banned. But I downloaded YouTube's TikTok Studios, I think it's called. So let me do a quick bit of analysis over here. We've got 12 minutes before this candle closes. The 4 hour is looking like this. The 1 hour. $30-minute. You know, the idea is obviously going with the trend over here. I'll keep an eye on this, but when it gets closer to the candle closure, and if it looks like it is going to break out over here, I'll do another scan through and just try to find any red flags, any reasons why this could be a bad idea. Do you only use price levels? Well, it's not. It is a price level, but it's more like just a range. I'm not particularly set on the actual level there. I'm considering that range. Will 88, what up, what up? How long did it take you to get good at this? Depends what your definition of good is, but maybe 2 years. It probably could have taken a little bit long. And good, I mean, is like where I'm really figuring it out. I know that if I'm losing and doing dumb shit, it's my fault. I think that's the biggest progress a trader can make, when you start to realize everything that doesn't go well for you is your fault. And a lot of traders can't do that. They think it's their system. They blame everyone else in their life. And that's why trading is just a reflection of you, right? The moment you start to take accountability for your shitty trading is the moment you're probably going to get the most progress. Yeah, Kingpin FX. I got banned for 3 days as well because of that. It sucks, bro. I don't know how I way around it. I put a little disclaimer in the description of this, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Double tap peeps. Yeah, look, you guys, I'm nearly at 10k over here likes on Tiki. Appreciate you guys. Hey, you guys in TikTok, check the chat here real quick. If you want a full screen, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. It's a way better screen. It's not like a little lame TikTok screen that's half cut off. So just kind of going with the trend over here, you guys. Check this out. If this candle kind of closes where it is now and the next one were to wick up and then flip, I'll look at taking a sell there as some sort of breakout, knowing that the overall thesis for the day is a downtrend, like we're moving down, so trying to just go with the flow type shit. Easy, Kingpin. US dollar is rising. Yeah, that's all right. Corsica's, what up? I'm amazing. I'm going to watch your live Discord after this on YouTube, bro. Amazing, Shane. Yeah, bro, I promise you, I think you'll get a lot out of it. Oh, Dillaway, you took that impulse sell at the break here, did ya? Okay. Yep, YouTube loads way better, bro. Understand. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, way better on YouTube. Remember me. Margaret. I usually would remember. Why, for whatever reason, why do I not remember you, Marga? I think you were making crazy predictions and things like that, if I remember correctly. I am new. What you recommend? I recommend that you do the Baby Pips course. How is the long term going with this trading strat? My trading strategy is a bucket of joy. Just a suggestion to put alerts so you don't have to watch a screen. My 2 cents. All right, I'm going to set an alert and I'm going to leave the stream, you guys. I'll catch you when the alert goes off. No, I like to be in tune. Like, if I can't sit down for 2 hours and dedicate 2 hours to looking at the charts and just being in tune with the market in the London session, then what am I even doing? I'm just being a bit lazy then. So I like to sit in front and actually pay attention. I'm only here for 2 hours. If I was sitting here all day and trying to wait for particular setups for the entire day, then maybe. But yeah, it's all good. Oh, thank you for the follow over there. You guys are spamming follows on TikTok as well. I appreciate you. Can I find it on YouTube? Bro, I'm on YouTube right now, live. Daniel Holmes Trades. And my strategy, yep. My most recent video on YouTube has got a fucking ton of value. It probably won't get many views because it's a relatively new channel, but I feel like it's a genuinely video packed with value. Can you tell us your strategy? Price action, breakout, candles, bang. Is it true you can trade with a $50 account? Yeah, I guess so. But I don't know if it's true that you'd want to do that. What time frame are you on? You should be able to see it just here, cousin. Cass, what up? All right, we've got 6 minutes over here for this candle closure. I'm thinking of potentially going with the trend over here. Had a couple of rejections on the 1 hour. We're in a heavy downtrend. Create a bit of 30-minute support. I don't mind that as 15-minute support. I just don't want this to be too far away from my breakout range. Like if it breaks out where it is right now, exactly where it is, I'll be happy. Because then I can put my stop loss in a relatively safe zone. Right, I can put my stop loss like around here. But if this, check this out, you guys. If this candle closes like this, I can't take that sell anymore because my stop loss has to be all the way up here. That's like fucking 35, 40 pips. So I'd need a bit of support to be created. So as the candles are forming, I'm trying to think of shit that might happen and how I'm going to react to it. I was told trading is simple and better. It must not overcomplicate it. Absolutely. I believe that as well. That's why I like these SMC, ICT guys. I'm like, man, if it works for you, it works for you. But fuck, I'm glad I didn't get sucked into that world. Came 1041. Yep. Same. And my thesis on that is like, if you can dedicate 2 hours to a session, like you don't want to be sitting here all day and then move into the New York session and keep trying to trade because it uses mental You'll move in mentally fatigued and make silly decisions. Like even by the end of the stream, after 2 hours, I'm like pretty fatigued. I'm like, all right, I'm done. I'm done because I know I'm going to start making silly decisions if I'm mentally fatigued. No, don't trade gold during early London on a Monday, bro. Yeah, it's a bit rough, but I'll be extra cautious. Can you use the next candle top wick? Yeah, that's what I would be doing there, Wayne. Wayne, you were there on Sunday as well. Obviously it's too low now, but if obviously the next candle I would need it to wick up, right? I would need something like that, and then a continuation down, and that leaves a perfect spot for me to either put my stop above the current candle wick or above the previous candle wick. So not only is it above a wick, it's also back in the range. So if it does go up there, it kind of has no business going up there unless it's going to continue up. Then that's good. Oh, 10,000 likes here on TikTok. Amazing. 11,000. Wow. How long have you been trading? 2.5 years. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Joseph, Honeybee, and Yundim and Addict. 3 minutes over here. So what's the first hour of London looking like? Just some sort of rejection off this range. It's a bit Wick City over here. But yeah, let's just see. Amazing, Wayne. Awesome. This week will be crazy. Yeah, it's NFP week over here. There's no news today, right? No, there's news like during the New York session, I think, but who gives a shit about that? Solana, sell or hold. Who cares? We have CPI Fed, FOMC. Is there FOMC this week as well? Fuck me. Crazy week. Yeah, wow. Yep, gonna be a pretty crazy week. So I got 2.5 minutes here for this candle. It's having a bit of dramas here. Let's see if it wants to break through or not. Again, you guys, I'm on YouTube right now, full screen, not a little TikTok screen. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube right now. For those who want to sell, for those who want to trade cryptos, sell Bitcoin right now, someone said. Immediately. Hi mate, are you a positive in trading and do you think you're profitable enough? I am the most profitable trader in the planet. Do you trade Dow Jones? Nah, just no, I only trade gold. I only trade gold during the London session. That's it. One pair, one session, boom. See you later. Bye. That's it. Because that's when I found the most success. When I used to jump around different fucking pairs and there's a setup here, there's a setup there. I'm on the 5 minute doing this and doing that. I'm just throwing all my money away. Here, Euro USD, here's $50. Oh, UJ, here's 100. Like, what am I doing? I said, you know what? Let me just stick to gold because I find the most success with that and just stick to it in the London session. And that's when I found the most success. So that's what I stuck to. Because I will genuinely have a setup a day anyway, or two. So, yeah. Simplistic. What app do you recommend using? Well, it depends. For this one I'm on right now is called TradingView. But I would not suggest you put money in the markets just yet. If you don't know what this is, I would suggest you literally just start Googling what is trading. What are candlesticks? What is, start from the scratch. Bro, where can I find the Baby Pips course? Just right, Baby Pips. Ready? Baby Pips. And anyone that's super fresh, I'd say do this course, you guys. It's a free course. And it's not about strategy and this kind of shit. Like everyone wants to get straight into the crux. This is about what is the fucking chart. You know what I mean? Like what is this? What is this shit? It's 364 course. It's all free. Do it. That's the first thing I did when I started learning about this game. And again, it's not strategy. It's not things that are going to blow your hair back, but it's going to be important for you to really prove to yourself as well. If I'm interested in this, can I sit down and actually focus on this? So look at this, you guys. How interesting is that? It wicked down and then rejected and broke back into my range here. So we haven't had a breakout yet. We've had an attempt, but it came back up and closed. And this is why you always wait for candle closures. Right? The old me would have taken a sell there and been like, all right, I'm off. No, I wait for confirmation. The worst thing you can do is revenge trade. Absolutely. Revenge trading has blown up many of my funded challenge accounts, prop accounts, all from revenge trading. Right? And what is revenge trading? It's when you take a loss and you go on some sort of tilt, you want to get your money back, then you take another loss, and then you just start spiraling. And at some point it's just like, fuck it, let me just go, like, you know what I mean? It's a very bad way to go. And it took me a long time to kind of get over that. And definitely visiting you to say thank you one day. Max, amazing. Thank you, brother. If you're not in the Discord, Max, if you want to keep learning over here on the Discord, and on a Sunday, we'll do a webinar, close group webinar, and that's going to be value packed. So in TikTok, there's a link in my bio there for the Discord. Look at this. John's going to drop some analysis over here in the Discord. This is what you're looking at for today over here. John's looking for it to kind of reject up and reach up into this own zone up here. John in the Discord here, he's pretty accurate with these predictions as well, you guys. I'm not this type of trader. I can't do this kind of thing, but John's pretty spot on with it. So yeah, some good traders over here in the Discord. Did you just move sells below line or? No, that's just where it closed. That's just where it closed. I know my zones, my dude. I know my zones. And it failed to break out here. And it just came back up and closed. Your boy knows his zones. Do you use NinjaTrader or MT5? NinjaTrader for Apex. I will start if I am targeting $80 in my daily. Tony, you don't even know what trading is. I wouldn't put any real money in. What recommendations you have to stop over trading? This is a great question. This is a great question. And you're not going to like my answer. So the question is, what would you recommend to stop over trading? I can sit here and say, well, just set the rules, 1 to 2 trades a day. Set the rules, 1% loss per day. You know, I can say these things, and this is what every guru will tell you. Yep, blah, blah, blah. You know, have guardrails. This is the amount of trades. This is the amount of loss. There's nothing anyone can say that's going to stop you from overtrading. Only you can do it. And the unfortunate thing is, it's typically going to come from just constantly doing it, hurting yourself and losing that much money that at some stage, you just get over it. And you know, if I do this, statistically, I'm just going to lose. And at some point, you just stop. So unfortunately, there's nothing I can say or anyone else can say that's going to stop you. It's really just pain that's going to stop you. You're just going to be sick of the pain. That's it. Unfortunately. But the good part is it can stop. It can stop. Obviously, the first step is to actually set some rules. 1 to 2 trades a day, 1% max a day. If I hit that point, I'm done. I shut the entire computer down. I don't look at the charts, nothing. Because if you look at the charts, oh, there's a setup there. Nah, that's clean. That's a perfect setup for me. Let me take this. And then you lose again. Yeah, keep working on it. Keep working on it. And just make sure you have a few rules for yourself, like 1 to 2 trades a day, whatever it is. I have 2 trades a day, win, lose or draw, and a max like 1% drawdown. And then I'm done. I'll just shut the computer down. And the reason I do that now is because I know, and I don't know how this works. Please listen to me, you guys. I do not know how the trading gods figured this out. But if I ever come into the markets to try to take a gamble trade, I can't say that word on TikTok, to take a stupid trade, it never works out. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. And if it does, not only are you instilling bad habits in yourself because you're rewarded for a bad trade, but karmic debt just catches up on you later and you end up losing it. It's a weird thing. Like, you just can't. All you can ever do is just stick to your strategy, and that's it. Nothing else works. I don't know how it works. Like God or some super AI is tapped into the charts and tapped into human consciousness, because you can never sneak your way into a profitable game plan. It'll always come back and bite you. So you just stick to the plan. That's all you can do. I love the no risk, no Rari people. They're so entertaining. Wiki Chop City here until news. News isn't still for a while. I think we got one more move in us here on the London session. Again, usually when you get a crazy move in the Asia session, it'll usually consolidate for the London, but we'll see. We'll see. You guys on TikTok, I just threw something in the chat there. If you type that in YouTube, I'm live on YouTube right now. Big screen, full. You can see everything way better. Way better. That red hammer looks clean. Yeah, I don't know about. We'll see. We'll see. What's this small range here in terms of pips? 35 pips. Mike, what up, my dude? You guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, if you could drop a subscribe, I'd appreciate that a ton. I think I'm like nearly at 500 subscribers, which is bonkers. I used to stream to I used to stream to no one, actually. And then sometimes one person will pop in and I'd be like, oh my God, this is so nervous. So to be at nearly 500 subscribers is crazy. Yeah, I'd like a break to the upside as well, John. Yeah. Especially after this rejection wick here. Let me have a look over here. Yeah, it's kind of it's not looking very pretty, you guys. And you know, Monday after a big move during the Asia, there's a couple of things that are going against us here. So, and we're in a tricky spot here. It's kind of dirty range. So unless something like is real textbook, let's just be patient over here. Are you able to explain the reason for closing the buy and sell closure where the areas where you are? Yeah, so what I do, and again, Chris, if you were to jump on my YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades, I put a full video going through this today, actually. But let's say I'm at the 4 hour, right? This is the 4 hour. And I'm going, okay, well, let me figure out my zones of interest in terms of where we are now in the session, because I want to take a piece of the pie now in this session. Oh, Johnson over there on YouTube subscribed. Amazing. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Okay, so I'm working my way down. Okay, here's the 4 hour. This is the 1 hour. Interesting. This is where we are. 30 minute. Oh, okay, cool. Let me move my zone here, because I know I put my zone at the candle closure. When a red and green candle close next to each other, to the upside, that's my resistance. To the downside, that's my support. Cool. 15 minute. Oh, look at this on the 15. The zone isn't there. It's actually there. So I know to the left-hand side, there's relatively clean range if we get a break to the top. And to the downside, there's clean range as well. Clean-ish. It's just green. So in terms of this particular session, when there's candles that are printed next to each other, that's my support, and this is my resistance. And again, the reason why I put these kind of like, you know, see-through things here as well is because the area is a zone. It's not a price point. It's a zone. So I don't want to get stuck on one line. I want to get stuck on the actual zone. And also where I put the point. See, if you notice here, I didn't put it at the candle, at the break of the candles, and I didn't put it at the top of the wick. I put it somewhere in between, like a mid-range, but it's closer to the break of the to the candle closure rather than closer to the top of the wick. And it just becomes like intuition. Like you start to get onto it really easy, like where the zone is. You start to like, it becomes really obvious. It won't break to the upside now. Margo, when you said Margara, when you said, do you remember me, lol? And I literally said, yes, you're the person that does all the predictions. You're doing it again. You're doing it again. Someone keeps saying something about Bitcoin. Let's have a look what Bitcoin's doing. Oh, it is dropping a bit over here. This is the hourly. Yeah, interesting. Dropping in comparison to what it's been doing, I guess. Now, if this breaks below, you can see here that I'm looking at breaks below, right? The previous 15 tried to, but it failed. The 30's still open. If the 30 closes here, that's ugly. That's a small body 30 closure. After two small body red candles, this is very ugly stuff over here, you guys. So let's just see how this plays out. Let's just see how this plays out. Is this FX? Yeah, this is gold against US dollar. But I'll actually be trading on a futures account. I'll be using my 100K Apex account here. MGC. Link to Discord not working. Yeah, it is. You probably have to copy it and paste it into your browser or something. Give me your username, please. Which one? I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. Just my name with the word trades. I'm live there right now with a full horizontal screen. Yeah, horizontal screen. So 3 minutes here for this candle closure. This is also a 30, and this is also a 1 hour closure, you guys. What broker do you recommend? I'll let you know the broker tomorrow. Oh, small body 1 hour candle. Small body 1 hour candle. Doji. Doji on the last 30 minutes. This is ugly price action over here, you guys. Very ugly. Buy now, someone said. Most likely you won't take any trades today like usual. Oh, I'm sorry, David. I'm sorry I don't spend my money because of your entertainment. I'm really sorry. Alright, I got 1 minute over here for this candle closure. Yeah, this is freaking ugly stuff, you guys. Wow. What if it's still in between, as in just staying in this range? Then we just wait. There's no rush. Strict set of rules. Strict set of rules that increase the probability of a good outcome. That's it. Hey brother, how you doing today? I'm amazing, bro. I'm amazing. Not every day is a trading day. Sometimes every week. Not even a week. Absolutely. Yep. Yep. That's it. That's all good. So just stuck in this range. Still same thesis over here. Waiting for some sort of breakout. I'm still not too like, I'm not mad at the idea of some sort of breakout, because I do know there's clean range to the left and the left-hand side on either breaks above or below. Below it's just green here, and above it's just red until here. So it's good for me. Cool. That's the 1 hour closure. Small body doji, 1 hour. Small body half an hours, and a mess on the 15. Could be getting ready to bounce up. Yeah, we'll see. Oh wow. You selling the candle when it goes below the bottom line? Bucko, what's that word just there in brackets? What is that word in brackets? That is a crucial game changer word. Wow, right on the line. Yep. You can't underestimate these like zones. Like these support and resistance zones get respected very well. And yeah, it's all good. Did you already brought? Wrong English. Did you already buy is the correct one over there. And no, I'm still waiting over here, Bruds. You still got beef with Tom. Tom. Who the hell's Tom? I got beef with no one. My life is drama free. My life is so peaceful. I think that's why I can't ever have a girlfriend. I'm like, bro, my life is so peaceful. Like, I have no drama. It's fucking amazing. Some of these comments, yeah. Someone said it's a sell or buy. That would be a correct statement, because there's really only two options. There's only two options. What happened to chicks from maths? I thought you were hitched. No, she's long gone, my dude. So today is a perfect example of just exercising discipline and patience, just waiting. Like, we have zones, it's a clear idea of what I'm waiting for at least. And, you know, a couple of impatient traders probably took sells here and things like that. And just wait over here for a clear setup. If you were to sell, where would you target? My next target range would be down here. But I would take 50%. I would take 85% at, like, you know, a wick fill. That's 20 pips. That's like 22 pips away. I would take 85% right here. Move stops to break even, and let the rest run. That's exactly what I'll be looking at. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Tappy. Tappy on the follow. Yeah, you guys. So I got the first withdrawal there on that 25k account. It's my latest post there on TikTok. And they made it very difficult with some of the shit that they do. They also lower the margin amount, so you can't really risk too much. It's quite difficult. It's quite difficult to get to that point. Oh, Tappy, thank you for the gift there. A couple of you guys have dropped some gifts over here. Eh? Fucking crazy. Thank you, Graffiti. Appreciate it, brother. Buy now, not shit play. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? Messy. Anyone that wants to participate in this range here, my hat's off to you. This is a no trade range for me. This is a no trade range for me in here. Yep, just consolidating. 13k likes there on TikTok, gang. NQ, please. A few people keep asking for NQ. What's the freaking thing for NQ? Is it just NQ? Let's have a look at NQ real quick. Oh, looks quite nice. Looks like there's a very clean, like straight out. You can see some sort of trend. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really do overall analysis. I just analyze the current session. So if this was me for the current session, I'd be looking at, okay, let's look at the 4 hour, week 4 hour. The next one's pushing up. The 1 hour, telling the same story. 30 minute and 15. Yeah, I wouldn't be looking at anything on NQ until it broke above here and or below here. I wouldn't be participating in this range here at all. Super messy. I'll be waiting for a break above and then taking a buy and the same below and taking a sell. Personally, for the session. Oh, look at this. Wayne just got off the phone with the market makers. They said they're pushing it up. Okay. Hello, first time here. Did you buy on that retracement? The only thing I'm looking for to take a trade is with this text here. Until that happens, what this text says, then the answer is no. But thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Trade, what up? Trade K. You trade Euro OD? No, I just trade gold. Only gold. That's it. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Ahmed. Ooh. How many trades do you take a day? 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Sometimes, a lot of the times no, as of recent. But yeah, sometimes there'll be like 2 a day during the London sesh. Do you watch the 10-year yields and the DXY for correlation? Absolutely not. No. No. Oh, last time you watched was Thursday. Welcome back, my friend. Got 6 minutes here for this candle closure. Let's see. We're still stuck in this range. Nothing we can do. Just got to fucking hang out. Exercise discipline, patience. Wow, thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Crazy. Crazy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Boy, what's going on with the follows, you guys on TikTok? That's fucking crazy. Anyway, let's pay attention. So, anyone that's new, I'm just waiting for some sort of breakout over here. There's nothing I can do until we get out of this shitty range here. Like, this is a no trade range for me in this zone. So just waiting for some sort of breakout to either side. There's clean range to the left-hand side for sells or buys above. And just waiting for that. How much money have you made today? I think 37 million, I think. Or maybe 36. IMG, you are single? What does IMG mean? What does IMG mean? What does IMG mean? I hope this isn't something mean, like something rude. Generating IMG abbreviation multimeans. Image. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Image format. Oh, she deleted it. Okay, there you go. No, I'm only joking, Jed. Of course, you guys, TikTok has ruined your brain. People aren't just chilling making $38 million in a day. Are you looking for long-term gold? I'm looking for exactly what I have on the screen here, but brother, that's all. That's all. Where your sell? I'm on YouTube right now, Daniel Holmes Trades. You can see all the price points on the YouTube live. You can't see it on TikTok. It's too small. But on YouTube live, you can see it all. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Maybe meant, oh my God. Ah, maybe, yeah, okay. Well, she deleted it. She's gone. You're waiting for a breakout. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. The 4-hour close in 49 minutes. Again, like when you have crazy movement on the Asia, the London session kind of, you know, we have to pay the price, I guess. But and that's the thing. Like, it's been quite difficult to get a decent trade in the London session as of recent because we've been getting such crazy movement in the Asia session. What's your biggest tip for somebody wanting to start trading? My biggest tip is just to get onto Google and start typing, what are candlesticks? What is Forex? What is trading? Like, actually start Googling and start to research about the game. Try to understand the intricacy, like start to understand the complete basics of the game. A lot of people think, all right, I'm going to start trading. What broker do I put money in? It's like, bro, are you like a cash pig? Do you just want to give your money away? How about learn the game first so you can actually, you know, not just give your money away? So my biggest tip is actually learn what you're looking at here, and then start trading a demo account and then a cheap prop firm account, and, you know, do it like that. Wow, you guys spamming the follows here on TikTok. Appreciate you guys. A lot of impatience in shorts, panicking right now. Yeah. A lot of people got faked out a couple times down here. And that, you guys, I've said it multiple times, but the old me had this zone. The old me would have had this zone marked out here, seen this candle moving down and said, I'm not missing my opportunity. I'm taking a sell. What happened? It retraced. The new me, which is much more consistent with my profits, waits for candle closures outside of key ranges before he takes a position. So if you pay attention here, it says sells below, but there's a key word in brackets, closure. Because I learned the hard way, the old me got burnt here. Now, is there a time and a place to take impulse sells and buys? Yes, but this isn't that one. This isn't that time and place. Why do most people love scalping in the New York session? I don't know if they do. I don't know if they do. Patience, that's it. That's all it is. Thank you for helping me with my patience. That's all right. Patience. What cheap prop firms would you recommend? Just any. Just Google them. Like, there's so many prop firms now. Just start Googling and try and find the cheapest one. Just try and find the cheapest one. So it looks like we're moving up here. Let me do a quick scan through of some of these time frames over here. The 4-hour looks pretty clean. 1 hour. It's a pretty clean. This is like a key kind of 1 hour breakout zone, I believe. This is a pretty key 1 hour breakout zone. 30-minute. Yeah, this is a good zone here. I can see a lot of shit here to the left that it's kind of, it'll want to break out past as well. My only reservation is the fact that it moved from the bottom end of the support level to break out. Typically, I would like it to kind of move up in like 2 candles, or at least create a red candle before it breaks out. But the only thing that's sort of on my side with taking this into consideration is the fact that this range isn't very big. It's like kind of is. It's 40 pips. We've got 22 seconds here. Looks like it's got no top wick just yet. We'll see if it can create a wick. Have How much do you make on an average day? About 47 million on an average day. Bro looks AI generated. So check this out, you guys. I would like this to push up here and then reject down, and then I'll look at taking something. I don't like that this has no top wick, and I also don't like that it moved 43 pips from the bottom end to a breakout. Usually you want it to kind of move its way up in at least 2. Brother, can you please teach me? Join my Discord. It's in my TikTok bio. Free education. Free. I don't charge any price for any shit like that. I would like it to give it a... So when no top wick is created, you guys, no range here has been created yet. It won't flow through as smooth when there's no range to be created. It'll typically reject. I would have liked this to open up and give it a crack, then flip down, creating a bottom wick, and then if it flips back up, I'll take a buy right there. As it sits right now, I'm gonna need to see a little bit more. I'm gonna need to see a little bit more here because there's the no top wick has thrown a spanner in the works, and the fact that it's moved from the bottom end of the range to a breakout isn't ideal as well, but we'll see. I'm gonna need a bit more than this. Oh, thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Wild. Wild. Inverted head and shoulders, maybe. Yeah. I don't know about any of that. We'll see. But regardless of this, I need a wick. I need it to come back down and test this prior resistance level. If it leaves without me, anyone that knows how I trade and whatever, then you just have to wave goodbye and then potentially catch another one. Hey brother, can you zoom out of the chart? No, but I'm on YouTube right now, Daniel Holmes Trades. You'll see the whole chart there. I can't fit it all in on TikTok, but on YouTube, it's a fucking way better screen. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube live right now. Where's your TP? Well, my first TP was just going to be up here. That's like 20 pips away. But not even thinking about that just yet. Then is there a software that buys and sells like automatically? Yeah, but you'll lose all your money, so I wouldn't suggest it. I wouldn't suggest it. That's all. Unless you're into that. Some people are. Some people are like, you know, they pay chicks to kind of kick them in the nuts and stuff. How do you trade golds with the spreads? The spreads are small. It's like 2.5 pips. Do you know back in the day, spreads used to be like 15, 20, 25 pips? That's why you have to be like a swing trader, ideally. All right, so not only did it close with no top wick to little no top wick, it didn't really retrace as well. Like if this leaves, it is what it is. But if it does decide to flip back down, let's just hang out here. A lot can happen because the 30 is still open as well, you guys. So it's not over yet. Trader for life, what up? Good to see you. On which prop are you funded, and did you have a one-step challenge or two? Yeah, I'm funded with Top One Trader. It was a one-step challenge. You have to put 10% on the account, and you had to have 3 days of consistent 0.5 profitability. And then once you're funded, and they also have margin limits. So some people think, oh, one-step challenge, I can just go in full margin and just luck it. No, you can't. You can't use much margin, and you have to have 3 days of 0.5 consistent profitability. Then once you're funded, they lower your margin even more, and you still have to have 3 days of consistent profitability of 0.5 before you can withdraw. It's a fucking nightmare. I'll never do them again, to be honest. Like I did get my withdrawal today, actually. It's on my TikTok. It's my latest post, but I won't be using them again. It's too many things that are stacked against you. All right, so what are you going to do here? I would never have taken this buy anyway. Like, again, I would always need some sort of retracement here. I would need this candle to test this range to show me that it doesn't want to be down here, and then flip, and I would take a buy there. It didn't even do that. but let's just be patient over here. The 30's still open, so a lock can still happen over here. Have you heard of Funded X? Yeah. Yeah, all you guys, all these prop firms are good. I shouldn't probably say that, because Top Step 1 I wouldn't recommend just because of their rules. But yeah, they're all the same. If you can trade, you can trade, I guess. I don't know. Funding pips is pretty good, someone said. Okay, graffiti over here. Thank you for follow over there, Anthony. Thank you for follow over there on TikTok, Tuna. You guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe. I would appreciate it a ton, you guys. I'd appreciate that a ton, you guys on YouTube. So let's see what the 30's looking like. It's going to be a big fat 30 over here. Yep. 1 hour. Yeah, what are you going to do? If this 30 was to start rejecting and it's closed above this zone, I could still look at a breakout trade here based off the 30, but you wouldn't want it to push up much further than what it's doing right now, that's for sure. Looks clean bullish on the 1 hour. Yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to see, something like this, because this on the 30 could still show a clean. This would show quite a nice breakout here, you guys, with a healthy wick. And then if the next candle, check this out, you guys, if the next candle were to open up, wick down like this, and then flip, I could look at taking a buy there. Put my stops below there, take profit up here, whatever, I don't know. But that's what I would need to see on the 30 now, which is still very possible. So let's hang out and just see what happens here. Wombando Beats, what up, my G? Oh, no cap, what up, what up? I don't think I've seen you in a while, my dude. How do you choose breakout zones? If you go to my YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades, I made a video just on this today. It was a, I posted the webinar we did in the Discord, you guys. There's a Discord in my TikTok bio. And on a Sunday, we get together on a Zoom and do a webinar. And today, I actually posted what we did on Sunday, and there's a lot of value. I promise you, there's a lot of value there. What percent are you looking to make each trade? Probably 0.5. I'll be on a 100K account here, so if I can put 500 bucks on it, that'll be ideal. On which time frame should it close above? Ideally the 30, but most of the time you'll only get you get a 15, and you have to kind of stack confluences to make sure it's, because the 15 isn't that strong of a confirmation. It's strong enough, but you would rather the 30. Ins for in. Bro, your name trips me out every time I try to read it. Sad I missed the stream on Sunday, but I'll definitely be there next week. Ah, okay. I posted on my YouTube anyway, brother. It's the only one that I'll ever post from our webinar, but yeah, it's on my YouTube channel if you want to rewatch it. But yeah, it was dope, bro. Average RR, I don't know. I don't care about that because I always will move my take profits and stops anyway, so I don't really focus on that at all, really. Six minutes over here for this 30 closure. Might as well just stay on the 30 chat, on the 30 candle. See if we get a breakout here. I found your channel on Friday and genuinely think you're the best. Ah, amazing, Osh. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a ton. Yep, be showing up here every day, streaming live. Just rock up every day, get the shit, get it done live. It's awesome for me. I get to chat with you guys. You guys are all traders. I'm passionate about this. I'm sure you guys as well. So it's always good to be around other like-minded individuals. Def going to watch. I missed out on the stream. Yep. It's posted on my YouTube there. I think honestly, if you guys watch my last YouTube video, which was the webinar that I posted on YouTube, and finish it by saying, "Ah, man, I didn't get much out of that," I'll literally shit my pants, because I watch plenty of trading content on YouTube, and it's the same shit. It's the dude sitting there with fancy lighting talking. We're actually on the MT5 simulator. I'm on the chart drawing shit up. We're actually trading in real time on the simulator as well. Like, it's real shit. It's not entertainment. It's just real trading shit. Awesome, brother. Yep, keen. How long did it take you to become profitable? I don't know. I've been trading for 2.5 years, starting to get some success in the last couple months. Amazing, Ryan. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Anish, did you enter? This candle's got 4 minutes here. Switch to the 5 minutes. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Why would somebody that's trying to capitalize on breakouts of key areas want to base a trade on a weak confirmation like a 5 minute, when I even think that the 15's a weak confirmation? I need multiple confluences in order for me to take a trade on the 15 minute. That's how weak it is. If I go back to the 5 minute, I might as well just be freaking throwing my money at people for fun. Wait for 40, then we could probably get a reversal. Maybe I'm gonna take the trade with you. Okay. I don't promote that. I'm not trading for you guys to do it as well, but if you decide you want to trade as well, what I take, then that's good. I need to watch the recap missed Sunday. Yeah, it's posted on my YouTube. I promise you'll get a lot out of it. If you can set like an hour free and just really just kind of just, I think there's a lot of value there. And that's me from somebody that's watched fucking every trading video on YouTube. Yeah, it looks like we're in a bit of trouble for a breakout here, you guys. If I move, so there's another option. Let me move this up here because this was the next closest range. Check this out, you guys. If I know that we're in a downtrend overall, and this is something that in my latest trading video that I put on my YouTube, we call multiple of trades like this. If this one closes like this, the next one opens up and closes something like this. The following one, anyone that was there on Sunday knows exactly what I'm talking about with this. The next one opens up and closes like this. I'll take a full margin sell right there, anticipating it to continue back down, bouncing off this zone and continuing with the trend, right? So there's multiple options over here. Let's just see what happens. Please delete Furry. He's swearing at you. Oh, okay. Let me delete that then. Interesting. Someone's swearing over here in different languages. Your Sunday webinar was gun, love it. Ah, amazing. Okay. I appreciate that feedback. Because, yeah, it's hard for me to tell because I'm just doing it. I'm trying to think, like, what did you guys think? Was it too fast? Was it... But, yeah, that's good to hear. I've heard a few of you guys have given me some good feedback there, so that's awesome. Are you buying? I'm just waiting over here. I was looking for a potential sell. I was looking for a potential buyer to break above here, but a couple bad things happened. This candle broke out with no top wick. This one didn't wick down first, and it just kind of did its thing. I would never have taken that trade. So now I'm looking at potential other opportunities, maybe a bounce off this range to continue to the downside, right? I know what I need to see for that to happen. I just printed it up before, and I'm going to hang out for a second and see if that happens. Good thing it's on your YouTube so people can go over it. Yeah, absolutely. And that'll be the last one for the webinar. I'll never post the webinars on YouTube again because I want it to be a bit more like private. But yeah, I posted that first one there. I think that would be good. I'm going to put here sells. I don't know. I'm actually going to delete this because people are going to be on my fucking case about it. I'll just put sells maybe. And if people want to know, I'll describe what I'm looking for. I'll describe it if people want to know things. Okay. So John, check this out, you guys. So there's a Discord chat in my bio there, and we've got John. John's a good trader over here. He actually marked up this area in Discord just before. We're approaching that area now. He said earlier in the stream that if the price gets up here, he'll be looking to take some sort of retest off that range. And I've just coincidentally marked it out as well. And so there's a couple of confluences over here. A couple of us guys are all thinking the same shit. Good to hear that, NC3553. Yeah, are we here every day live, brother or sister? Can you tell us when you take a trade? Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll be saying it out loud, but I act quick, so you have to be on your ball. Oh, you're also waiting for a sell over there, Osh? Okay. Pips, ticks, and points. I was looking for a breakout, but it did break out, but a couple of things made it invalid for me to take the trade. So now I'm looking at potentially something else over here. I don't know what a fractal is there, Pillow Talk. Okay, so someone has it bouncing off a trend line. Let's see, is there some sort of trend line over here? No, there's no... if you're looking at a trend line, I'm assuming you're looking at like way higher time frames. It's probably going to take a while to get there. Is there some sort of trend going along here? Yeah, who knows? Anyway. So yeah, let me show you something. Anyone that's new here, let me draw something up real quick, what I might be looking at over here now. I have a key area and now I need to see certain things printed. If this candle were to give it a good test, come back and close relatively small body, something like this. The next candle opened up, did something like this. I'd certainly be looking at a sell back down into this range, and I'll be having a sell stop about there. All right. But I need to see the candles confluence for that, because I know in the daily session is bearish. So my idea is this is a pullback on a daily bearish movement. And that's about it. If it doesn't do that, if it breaks above this range and starts to dick around, I'll just call it a day, because I know we've got news in a couple of hours, whatever. Crypto name. No, this isn't. Fucking hell. You're thinking of breakout there, MRG? Okay. All contracts are declining downward on the order flow. Yeah, okay. Someone says, what did you say here about the higher highs, higher lows? Basically proceeding to lower highs. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So a lot of what I'm looking for is, I want to see if this candle closes bigger body than the previous one. I might call it a day. I might call it a day, to be honest. Is a majority of trading waiting and patience. That's all that it is. It's only like that because the reality is there's two things you can do. You can say, okay, I'm moving into the markets and I know exactly what I need to see. That's going to be a part of my playbook. And I know if I execute on exactly that, it's going to increase the probability of me having a positive outcome. The alternative to that is going, oh, I've been sitting here for a while. This looks good enough. Buy. It never works. It never works. So I've lost that much money, blown that many accounts, and felt that much pain that now I'm happy to wait. I'll just wait for what I need to see because I'd much rather finish the day and go, ah, man, no trade set up for me today. It's a no trade day than for me to take a trade and lose. I'll happily miss a trade, then lose a trade. It's that simple. That's it. And, you know, I get kids in the chat, oh, all he does is look at the chart or he doesn't take a trade. It's like, because I'm fucking, when I do, I lose. I need to see what I need to see and I have to execute on my playbook. I know my playbook arises nearly every day. Yes, it's harder when there's like a lot of movement in Asia. It gets a bit choppy in the London sesh, but typically I'll get a trade a day. And if not, that's fine. I don't care. If I don't get another trade for the rest of the year, then it is what it is. Is the probability really low? Of course, but that's just where my head's at. Is one of one funding not paying out? That's what I have no idea, brother. I think I've seen some shit floating around, but yeah, I have no idea. Excellent, Dan. You have built this thing. It's just. Then you always waits for A+ setups. Exactly. Because the alternative is just to rush, and I know that rushing just equates to burn. There should be a retracement, right? Who knows? Nothing. There shouldn't be anything. The market just does what it wants to do, but I know if certain candles get printed, then it gives me the light. Okay, cool. Here's what you need to see. Done. In. And for you guys that might be curious as to what that is, my latest video on my YouTube channel outlines my strategy to a T. I actually went through the MT5 simulator live with the guys here, and it's fucking packed with value, this video. It's right here. So I'd suggest if you have time. And I'm live on YouTube right now as well. It's a much better screen than TikTok, you guys. You guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe, please. It would actually mean a lot, to be honest. It actually would. It's really hard to grow on YouTube, so it's awesome to see like you cats in YouTube as well. I love it. I love it. Could you recommend a prop firm for your favorite follower, bro? They're all the same, brother. They're all the same. Patience pays. Yeah, exactly. Sellers warming up. Maybe. I'm so detached. Guys, I'm so detached to the movements of the candle. I only really pay attention when there's like 2 to 1 minute left of the candle, because nothing means anything. Like, you could fucking do whatever it wants. It doesn't mean anything. Like, where a lot of people, and I used to be this as well, if it starts to push down like this, you're like, oh my God, it's selling, sellers are in, and then it just flips and just turns into a wick. So now these days I'm just like, I'm so emotionally detached until it gets closed. I'm like, okay, now I'm looking at this. I just followed you now. Ah, amazing. Appreciate it. Thank you. I just subbed to your YouTube, Pillow Talk. Amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a ton, honestly. And I'll start trying to punch out some more longer format content on YouTube to help traders, hopefully. To help traders with that over there. And you guys, we're pretty active in the Discord over here. Oh, look, someone's dropped some analysis over here. Yeah, it looks like a lot of us are looking at our potential sells over here. There's a couple of cats over here in the Discord. We've all got a pretty similar analysis here on for sells. I'm assuming a lot of you guys, like ICT guys or whatever, are looking at this as some sort of FVG. I'm not looking at that. Only reason I've got my zone here is because these candle closures here, right? But I know a lot of other people are going to be looking at this as some sort of ICT concept. Boss, do you have a Telegram community? Absolutely not. It serves me no purpose, brother, to have a Telegram community. I have a Discord where it's a community of actual traders, but Telegram's too spammy, bro. Dan, create YouTube shorts for small basic things. I do try to. I'll be honest though, they don't get views, and I know why they don't. And yeah, I'll explain it. Yeah, I feel what you're saying. I know what you're saying, Dilawar, for sure, but you have a whiteboard, right? Yeah. Post on Insta? Yeah, I definitely need to post more trading content on Insta. Oh, Russell, I'm sub now. Amazing. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Just subscribe from TikTok onto your YouTube. Amazing, you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. What stock is this? This is gold. Because you aren't flashing, you're watching cars. I see what you're saying, Dilawar. Yeah. I've actually got a plan for that. It's interesting you say that. A lot of the shit you always say, Dilawar, I'm like, man, I've actually got a plan for that. I've got a, yeah, I'll talk about it another time. Because you do good drawing the candles. Yeah. All right, so we've got 3 minutes here for this 15-minute closure. You guys, I don't fucking know. It's not looking pretty. It's not looking the best. Depending on how this closes, I'll potentially call it a day. I'll see the next Mr. Banks. Raja Banks. One day we'll have Raja on the stream. And be like, you are the one. You got a lot of potential, my dude. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. I just joined the Discord. Amazing. Okay. Yep. I'm telling you guys, on a Sunday, we'll be getting together on the Discord and just sharpening the tools in a closed group webinar. There's a link in my bio on TikTok. There's no paid shit. So let's see. Got 2.5 minutes for this candle closure. We'll see. Monday, whatever. If you get a big move on a Monday during the Asia sesh, they just screws us London traders, and that's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Why do you only trade gold? Because I found the most success by doing that, because when I was doing other multiple pairs, if I didn't see a trade right here, I'd flip to Euro USD, and then if I didn't see one there, I'd flip to GJ, and then I'd be going through all this shit. My mental is like all over the place. I'm seeing potential setups everywhere, and I just said, you know what, fuck all that. Let me shut the noise off and just focus on one pair. I know if I just focus on one pair, I can actually give my mental capacity to that session, and also I can learn really well how that particular pair moves at that particular time. I know really well how gold moves at this exact London Open time, right? And that helped me a lot. So now I just stick to the one thing. Typically we'll get a setup a day, and that's it. I really want this to flip green in order for me to look at taking a potential sell here. I want this to flip smaller body green. Candles look good, no? Are they? No, not for me. Let me draw something real quick. I really need this to flip small body green, like this. And then from there, I really want this level tapped into as well, but from there, small body red. And then from there, I'll look at taking a sell about there. But I need this current candle to flip green, because if you look on the 30, it's just one big fat candle here. So I want at least one more smaller. Wow, 19k likes here on TikTok, nearly 20k. It's giving me anxiety not seeing the 20, but that's still wild. Thank you, you guys. The Sultan of Pips, I subscribed also. Amazing, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Jack of all trades, master of none. Yep. That's why I eventually switched to only gold. Yep, only gold. I think that's the best. I think that's the best as well. Having trouble getting in the Discord. I can't put it in the comments, bro. You typically have to copy the link and then paste it into your browser, I think. I think that's what some people have had to do. Yeah, I recommend focusing on one pair for sure. Look like a no trade day for you there, John, in London. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good over here, you guys. I'll be brutally honest. I'm going to call it a day. John over here looks like he might be calling it a day as well in the chat. What are you going to do? It's been Wick City over here. This has been the London session. We had one breakout that gave no indication of continuation. Just shit volume right now, you guys. Let's be honest. It's going to be smarter for us to be patient. Hold up, let's get 20k likes. Yeah, looks like we got there. It's going to be better for us and pay off in the long run. Just to call it a day. Come back tomorrow. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. Thank you guys for coming here today. I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully the market conditions are a bit better tomorrow for the London session. We get something happening. But all good either way. Love you guys. Thank you for coming here, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Peace out. Peace out.